Huawei finally brings the latest addition to the Nova series with exciting mobile experiences through a powerful 64MP AI quad camera and 66 watts Huawei Supercharge. Huawei Philippines teases Filipino consumers that a super smartphone will arrive with a beautiful design and promising performance brought by the impressive 64MP AI quad camera and 66W Supercharge. Since the release of its first model, Huawei's Nova series is built to deliver stunning designs and enriched features to fulfill consumers' needs for productivity and entertainment. As a part of this energetic series, Huawei Nova 8 and 8i comes with super feature updates that let users enjoy life to the fullest. They are made to inspire creativity by capturing consumers' passions and bringing their imaginations to life, giving them the freedom to create and share their stories. Without a doubt, the Huawei Nova 8 and 8i will tap into Huawei's expertise in mobile photography. It has shown that these new phones will have a wide-angle camera, depth camera, and macro camera in addition to the powerful 64MP main camera. It is believed that dual-view video and other creative camera features will be available on Huawei Nova 8 and 8i as well. Both the Nova 8 and Nova 8i feature sensors that are larger than the competition. The Nova 8i has 1/1.7-inch big sensor while the Nova 8 is 1/1.56 big sensor. Both devices also support video voice remote recording via TWS earphones like the FreeBuds Pro, FreeBuds 3, FreeBuds 4, and FreeBuds 4i. Huawei Nova series makes flagship features accessible to all consumers, and so does the Huawei Nova 8 and 8i. One thing you cannot miss is the 66 watts Huawei Supercharge. Compared to many smartphones, even flagship models on the market, the charging speeds Huawei Nova 8 and 8i offer are really impressive. Huawei Nova 8 and 8i promises strong security and privacy tools through face, fingerprint and password unlock to ensure the device is fully secured. To top it all off, you can indulge yourself with Huawei App Gallery where you can find all your favorite apps best for everyday use. You can also enjoy a better experience by installing Pedal Search, a search engine tool reimagined for a better browsing experience. With a stylish design, all-around camera, long battery life, and smart features, indeed the Huawei Nova 8 and 8i will be a great smartphone upgrade or replacement. These flagship-level mid-range smartphones have what today's consumers need. The perfect balance of style and stability, with top-of-the-range features to unleash your fullest potential. If you are wondering whether these new Nova smartphones will be available in the Philippines, stay tuned with Huawei's official announcements on Facebook and website.